Hi guys, it is me. Welcome to today's YouTube video. Today I am doing a slime video. My friend requested a new video. Her name is Audrey Segovia. Make sure to go follow her YouTube channel. Her name is Audrey Segovia on YouTube. I will put down below how to spell and how to write her name. So I'm going to be playing with this slime. It is actually a putty, and here is my background. It's holographic with a lot of makeup symbols, and here is my slime. So the first thing I'm going to be adding in is a little bit of my Essential Foaming Facial Cleanser, Sensitive Skin, and it is clear. And I'm just going to mix it in. Next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding my color. I'm going to be adding in burnt umber. Well, it does not want to focus. It does not want to be friendly, so yes. It looks like a very brown color, but we're just going to add a tiny bit at a time. Ooh, that was a little bit too much, so we're just going to do that. And now we're going to close it up. And now for this, we're going to put you in a better angle. Okay. I have here some glitter. I have green glitter, orange glitter, gold glitter, black glitter, red, white, and blue glitter, and orange, gold, and black. I think I'm going to be adding in a little bit of black and a little bit of some other colors that I have. So we're going to put that like that. And then I'm going to get my black, red, gold. Ooh, the top little kind of broke a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, sorry if you can't see. And it is pulling it the other side. I'm gonna get beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. Okay, I'm gonna move this stuff. Just wait a moment. Oops. It's a beautiful caramel color with glitter. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of glitter. Yeah, I don't know where my glitter went, but oh well. And Audrey, I know you were wondering if I still had your magical ball. I still have it. Look, easy. Okay. Okay. Found them. Here's what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to get a little bit of the gold, and this one doesn't have much, so be really careful with our expenses of gold glitter. And yes, I know that it's like, we're getting our orangey-ish glitter. This is going to be our fall slime. And we're going to put some black glitter. It might look a little bit blurry. on camera. But you guys can definitely see that shiny of it. And my back is covered with glitter. Beautiful. Yeah, yeah. By the way, if you were wondering what's inside here, ooh. The answer is brushes, eyeshadow, lipsticks, bronzers, and blushes. Bye, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.